Do you want a free OnePlus 6? What about a Samsung Galaxy S9? What about a Google Home Mini? What about a Samsung DexStation? If you answered yes to any of that, then you are in the right place. Hey guys, Aaron here for the Love of Tech, and today I'm bringing you a video on the details of the upcoming giveaway. We're doing a giveaway to express our gratitude and appreciation for you. Every social media share, every comment, every like, every retweet, every social media post helps the channel grow. The tech community on YouTube is jam-packed full of awesome channels, great personalities, and a ton of information. But yet somehow you still choose to spend your time with me. That's why we hold giveaways, because we like to give stuff to people that comes and hangs out with us. The giveaway is going to be held on July 8th at 5 p.m. Eastern Time. Set your calendars and make sure you have the notification bell set correctly so you get proper notifications every time I post a video. Many of you already have a ton of entries into the giveaway. Thank you so much, and thank you for all the effort. Many of you already have a lot of entries into the giveaway. All you have to do is keep watching the videos as they roll out from now until July 8th. Keep participating, commenting, sharing. You gotta watch the video until the end. If you start the video and jump to the end for the instructions, I'm gonna know. I'm like the Santa Claus of YouTube. Not only do I bring gifts, I know when you've been naughty. Jump into the end of the videos. I'm watching you. I know who you are. Those entries won't count. Shame on you. Watch the video until the end. You already know what's in the giveaway, but what you don't know about is the surprise item in the giveaway. What's the surprise, Aaron? Why's there gotta always be a surprise? But I'm not telling you what the surprise is. I'm not telling. I will, but not quite yet. I will tell you what the surprise giveaway item is as soon as we hit 5,000 subscribers! You heard me correct. If For the Love of Tech can hit 5,000 subscribers before the upcoming giveaway on July 8th, we're going to go ahead and give a surprise item in the giveaway. And then I'll let you know what it is. Oh, this is going to be fun. What is it going to be? What's the surprise? This surprise item's probably going to be the most expensive item in the giveaway. Let me get a Roman numerals 435,012 dash and tell me what you like most about For the Love of Tech, or tell me what you think I need to improve on the most. I might take it personal if you tell me what I need to improve on. So please craft your words nicely and make sure that you remember I have feelings. Okay, I have feelings. So be nice is all I'm saying. Be nice. Do you want to get additional entries into the giveaway? If you want more entries into the giveaway, all you have to do is share this video right here on your social media. Take a screenshot of it, but before you take the screenshot, hashtag For the Love of Tech. That's the number For the Love of Tech. Then take the screenshot, then send it to me in an email. One email, multiple screenshots. One email, multiple screenshots. My email address is Aaron, ARON, at the number 4, theloveoftech.com. Easy peasy. For every social media share you give me, I will give you an additional 5 entries into the giveaway. 5 social media shares, 5 entries apiece, 25 entries just for sharing the video. And don't forget to hashtag. Here's where we get down to the nitty-gritty rules, okay? You gotta be on the live event to claim your prize. You can't hear the name of the winner, message your friend and say, jump on the live event, silly, you just won something. You can't hear the winner, jump on the Twitter and create a fake screen name that's similar and try to get it past me. Because I pay attention, I know. It's happened before, I caught it. I'm watching. Remember, I'm like the Santa of YouTube. I know when you're naughty. I know when you're nice. If you are domestic, meaning here in the US, I will pay for your shipping free of charge. Namaste. If you are international, I will pay out of my pocket up to $50 for shipping to go towards your giveaway item. You must cover the rest. You also have to prepay for your custom fees. Yes, you have to prepay for your custom fees. That means we'll get together offline via email and we will arrange it. You'll have 14 days to make that happen. If you can't make it happen in 14 days, I will release the giveaway item back into the For the Love of Tech community. I hope you've had fun. I enjoyed this video. I've been looking forward to this video. I'm excited. We're holding the giveaway. We have it in stone. Here it is. I hope to see you all there. For the love of tech, namaste.